Pooh, this article says that humans are going to spend $200 billion a year on a biodiversity conservation plan to solve their environmental problems.
But Piglet, didn't you explain to me that biodiversity loss is a symptom or consequence of a genetically inherited process humans use when they make their decisions?
It is Pooh, and one of their scientists has discovered that the exact same process is used by all tool-using animals. It still works for other tool-using animals, but it began to cause problems for humans when they learned to control fire and could make fancy new tools which they could use to manipulate and manage the environment.
Oh, Piglet, didn't they also start to sell things, which was the beginning of their economies?
Exactly, Pooh. Almost every decision they made began to have complex social, economic, and environmental consequences to consider. But no human is born with the need or ability to have to consider or manage the complex circumstances that their actions had started to impact.
But Piglet, this book explains these things and shows how they can make a very simple adjustment to the way they decide their actions to prevent it from happening and begin to reverse their problems.
Yes, Pooh, there is such a simple solution to reverse this terrible mess, but sadly, there isn't any mention here of a change in their management or how they develop their policies.
But Piglet, all they will do is cause a far bigger increase in their problems.
Yes, Pooh, but sadly, most humans aren't even aware of these world-changing discoveries yet. And because of that, they will waste billions more dollars trying to solve their problems using the same management that causes them in the first place.
Even though I am a bear of little brain, I know that if you don't address the cause of a problem, you have no chance of solving it.
I'm afraid you're right, Pooh. Unless they adapt and change their management, it won't matter what they do or how good their intentions are. Their decisions and policies will continue to result in an increase in their problems.
But Piglet, if they don't change the way they develop policies, all that money will just be wasted and their problems will increase.
Yes, Pooh. Sadly, not one single dollar will be spent on addressing the cause of global biodiversity loss, desertification, and megafires, which are driving climate change.
Then what are we waiting for, Piglet? We have got to go and give them this book.